What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Jasmy, which has gone for a minimal pump in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, it has pumped up just under 5%. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped, and also is it going to pump even higher over the next couple of hours, days, or is it going to straight away drop back down in value? As you can see, it's already started to slowly drop in value, but again, that is part of the process once the crypto has pumped. But again, we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy, sell, or simply hold on to the crypto? And also looking at its prediction over the short term and long term as well. So over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Jasmy go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can clearly see, we are on the Coinbase website right now. The market is up just about 0.14% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And yes, Jasmy is up 5%. In the last hour, he has taken quite of a drop, 2% down. Over the last 24 hours, 5%. Over the week, again, 4% up, slow and steady growth. And over the month, 17% down, with major drops here on May the 9th and 10th, which was just about 10 days ago. As you can see, it's gone down 22% in a space of about 2-3 days, which was not great, but again, right now it is slowly starting to pump back up in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see that the trading volume has also gone up to $53 million in the last 24 hours. And again, the only reason why it's gone up, as you guys can clearly see, is because of the pump that's taken place earlier this morning. So we are seeing more people investing into the crypto, a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and is up there with one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which it gives us that we're going to use to do the price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple at 0.005829 cents. However, we can see it trading at a slightly lower value here in green at 0.005123 cents, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have a mixed signal here. The orange line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, we should essentially see Jasmy more or less trading around its current price range at where it is at the moment. However, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently staying at that price range for the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. It's likely to hit little dips in between, peaks up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral. So towards the end of the day, we should be somewhere around where it is at the moment, with peaks and drops in between. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We're looking much more bullish here. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So much more positive than the previous chart. So in this case, guys, an overall increase in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should see Jasmy more or less trading at slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. And what my expectations are is it should be trading above 0.006 cents in target by the end of next week. Again, it's not going to be a major pump or a major increase or anything like that. It is going to be minimal, so don't get too hyped, guys. Again, that does also not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit red days in between, up and down, but again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. so do expect an overall increase in value from Jasmy over the next week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, as you guys can see, we have taken quite of a U-turn. Again, it's looking the same as the 30-minute chart. We've got the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the blue line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So guys, again, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about early to mid-July 2023. So over the next approximately 2 months. However, what my predictions are is an overall increase in value from Jasmy over the next 6 to 8 weeks, and potentially heading up to the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting from Jasmy over the next 2 months, guys. So essentially by mid-July, Jasmy should be heading over the 1 cent target. Of course, depending on how the crypto market performs. For example, if we do see Bitcoin pumping up to 35-40k, then we will most likely see Jasmy trading way above the 1 cent target. However, if Bitcoin manages to drop down below 20k, then we are going to see major drops in the crypto market, including Jasmy as well, meaning going way lower than where it is at the moment. However, guys, it all depends on the crypto market in general. For example, if Elon Musk puts out a tweet about Bitcoin, then we're going to see it pump, and we're going to see the crypto market pump as well. However, if there's a negative news going around, or any news that can have a negative impact, then we are going to see major drops. That's how crypto works. It's a very volatile market. So again, it's good to keep up to date with the news, which I do as well, and I do report back to you guys on what my predictions, my takes are as well. If there are any updates or news that come across that can have a potential positive or negative impact on the crypto market. So guys, I will keep you guys updated on a daily basis. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, at the moment, it's not looking too good for Jasmy, but hopefully over the long term, so not really long term, but over the next couple of months, we should see more green candles, more upside, not just Jasmy, but the crypto market in general. But of course, I will keep you guys updated. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy. Guys, comment down below, when are you guys expecting Jasmy to be hitting the 1 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of positive and negative comments around Jasmy. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.